Hey guys, welcome back. We are heading to the beach, the ocean. We will probably be there today and tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 10 degrees warmer than even today. And I just figured it would be a perfect day to get out of the house. I've been really wanting to just get out and go get some fresh air. So
me too. And we're gonna go swimming.
Wait, did I? Yes, I put your boogie board in the thing. I packed a bag and we haven't had like a beach day in a while. So we're doing that. I also, did my walk, my workout, my slow but surely workout this morning.
I hope your horse sucks there. Or maybe not.
I don't think we're gonna go to that beach. I think we're gonna go to a different one. But anyway, that is what we are doing today. I did film a bunch the other day too of me doing, some housework, and like motivational, just, I don't know, get it all done with me things. So I will insert that footage as well. So I just vlogged, like I said, the other day, and then today doing just a little beach run. I get so much pollen. Holy. Sydney likes when I wash my windows. Wow. 60 degrees. But it looks gorgeous. Okay, that was way too cold. I'm such a baby, but it was 60 degrees, and then of course you have tons of wind. It all just depends. The wind makes a whole lot of a difference. But we did stay for, I don't know, probably like an hour or so. And Sydney, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sydney had fun. Just gonna eat the rest of her sandwich that she didn't really eat. We searched for shells and
But we can't find extra dollar.
sand dollar.
No.
Yeah, we were looking for some sand dollars, but we didn't see any.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend you said.
So this is the footage I had from the previous day, sort of out of order putting it here, but this is mostly going to be a voiceover to music. I just started out with a yummy breakfast of a bowl of strawberries and coffee, and after my workout I did my avocado toast that I just love. It's one of my go-to breakfasts. Sydney loves it as well. It's so simple. This one I'm just doing sliced avocado, squeezed fresh lemon juice with Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, and then mashing that all up. Very simple. You can add whatever toppings you'd like, but this time I just did regular, just the avocado mixture, and then Sydney of course had like half of a piece of toast.
Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use
after breakfast, I had a little bit of cleaning up to do. So I decided to do the floors. I vacuumed everything. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel, the floors are just my pet peeve. I cannot handle crumbs or any amount of dirt on them. So I went ahead and vacuumed and then mopped them as well. Sydney helped me. It was so cute. She wanted to wear her little flower girl dress for the day, as she wore to a wedding last year. I also in this video have a huge pile of laundry sitting on the couch, and I ended up not doing it until the evening. So it just sat there all day driving me nuts, but we ended up going outside since the weather was so nice, and I let Sydney play outside and totally ignored the laundry. I feel like I've just been giving 25% to every area of my existence lately. 25% to my work, 25% to my house, 50% to my child. So I'm kind of looking forward to when she goes to preschool in a few months. Of course, emotionally, I'm a little, I'm obviously sad about that. I just think it's going to be so good to like collect myself again, regain control of my home and my work, and really be able to spend a whole lot of quality time on my work and content creating and just have fun with it versus spreading myself super thin in every area. And then on the days that she doesn't go to preschool, I am really going to try to just dedicate to her instead of having to half work, half be a mom. You know what I mean?
Pick up the pieces, hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend. Don't let your fears decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line.
Sydney always likes to help me and be involved, so she wants to be like this independent little girl, wants to do everything herself, whether it be, the windows, the floors, and I just have to let her. So I ended up doing the living room myself, and I gave her the little hardwood floor mop. By the way, I'll have this link down below as well. And she ended up doing the kitchen for me, but she feels so accomplished and like mommy's little helper. It makes me feel so happy. I still can't get over her wearing this flower girl dress. She wanted to wear it all week long. It's just so cute.
So I am gonna go pick up some supplies that I need for the house, but on a whim, this is exactly what I did last time. On a whim, I was like, let's go test drive a vehicle or see if we can. So I want to see if I can go test drive.
I'm hungry. I want something else instead of the cranberries.
Okay, give me a second. I don't have my bag. It's in my. It's in the truck. It's in the truck. I always do that. Anyway, I want to see if I can go test drive a Honda Passport. I love the look of them. So we're just going to see. The last one that I test drove was the Honda CR-V, but I didn't film it. And I think there might be a Volkswagen place too. I want to see if I can test drive. Oh, this is really wiggly. See if I can test drive a Volkswagen Tiguan. I don't know. Maybe if they have one. Maybe if they don't, I don't know. But my goal today or currently is to go test drive the Passport. Okay, so here's the Passport. I think this is so sharp. I personally would go with white because I've just been dying to get a white SUV. It's big.
You have a white see, but you have a white one.
I can't really see inside. It's tall though. This one's definitely a lot taller than and bigger than the CR-V. I'm wondering if they have an older one, like a used, instead of brand new, maybe buy like 1 year used. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you on camera, but I really like the boxiness. I like boxy SUVs.